All right, guys, so this is how you disassemble a Model 305 with a large port rotary valve. So first thing we're going to do here, just kill air to the machine by pressing in the red nose. That takes the air off of the machine. Then you're going to take these two air lines right here, the blue and the gray, which would control your cutoff if you have a positive cutoff on your device. From there, we can just simply unscrew the nozzle, which is threaded right onto the machine. We'll take that off. Next, we will unscrew the hopper. That's also threaded. So we will just rotate the hopper in a counterclockwise direction here. Pull it right off. And you are left with your gasketing material for the hopper. So you can take that off as well if you'd like to clean that. So keep that all off to the side. What you're going to be left with next is your large port rotary valve and then your metering cylinder. So next, when you want to undo the actuator arm from the large port rotary valve, if you use a number 13 metric wrench, you can just get right in here and you can unscrew this. Bolt pops right out. Then you're left with the two bolts that are holding on, the two nuts that are holding on the large port rotary valve to the metering cylinder. So I just use an adjustable wrench for this. You can get right in here. You can turn this, undo this guy here, and then just same goes for the opposite side. Undo that, and the whole entire large port rotary valve will pull off. Then you're only left with your metering cylinder and piston. So all we're going to do here is we're going to slide the metering cylinder off the machine. You're left with your piston, which simply goes in through the top here, so I'll pull it off like that. Then at this point, all of your product contact parts for the filler are off. So if you'd like, what I can do then is I'll just kind of run this back real quick. So clean everything out. Once you're ready to go back, slide right on like that. We'll get our metering cylinder. Now, you want to make sure that the flat end of the metering cylinder is the one that goes to the back of the machine. So this little tapered end here is going to go to the front or forward of the machine. Slides on like so. From there, we are going to have our large port rotary valve, which we just pick up and slide right on. And then while that is resting there, you can actually begin to screw these nuts on. So what I like to do when I put these back on is kind of hand tighten both sides. What you want to try to avoid doing here is tightening up one side more than the other because the rotary valve will be a little cocked, which you don't want. So you can do that, and then again just snug these up like so. So you can do both of them. Then let's put our hopper back on. So we'll put our gasketing material right there. And we'll put the hopper back on. Screw this on in a clockwise fashion. Okay. Then the only thing we're left with here is going to be our nozzle. Which again, screw right on. All right, and then once that's screwed on, put your air lines back on. You're set up now, engage the machine, you're ready to run.